Ibirapuera Park, located in the city of Sao Paulo, is a popular tourist destination known for its beautiful landscape and diverse attractions. Spanning over 1.6 million square meters, it is one of the largest urban parks in Latin America. From an aerial perspective captured by drone, Ibirapuera Park showcases its breathtaking landscape and picturesque surroundings. The park is nestled amidst the bustling metropolis, providing a tranquil escape from the fast-paced city life. Visitors to Ibirapuera Park can enjoy a wide range of activities and sights. The park offers serene lakes, lush green spaces, and well-maintained gardens that provide a peaceful escape from the bustling city life. The park's beaches are also a major draw for visitors looking to relax and soak up the sun.